Hi everyone, welcome to Suntech. Let's test our automated factory roll inspection and packing solutions today.
This automated production line seamlessly integrates winding, fabric inspection, and packing to achieve highly efficient production. And it can be completed by only one operator. Automatically place the paper tube and start rewinding. Automation does not require manual intervention, saving manpower. If the quantity in the paper tube rack is less than a certain amount, the alarm device will automatically activate. Prompts will be given on both the alarm light and the control panel to ensure uninterrupted production. Next comes the fabric inspection, where the speed can be adjusted to meet production needs. It is also equipped with a fixed length function, which allows you to set the length and automatically cut when it is reached. Then it enters automatic taping through automatic fabric roll ejection to achieve better packing effect and tighter fit. Next, the cloth roll enters the cloth storage conveyor belt and waits for packing. At the same time, the stickers will be glued and pasted to the fabric rolls. And if the number of sticker boxes is less than a certain number, there will also be a reminder device. The packing unit perfectly achieves fast packing with great effect by using heat sealing, with no manual work required. Finally, the packed cloth rolls are automatically labeled for easy sorting.
Okay, that's it for today's intro. If you want to know more or other customized